Should you learn how to create graphs and dashboards as a data scientist? After all, you went to school for math or programming. You weren't in fine arts. Isn't creating graphs more for the business analyst to do? Let me explain the 3 types of visualization frameworks that you might come across when you're on the job and where you, a data scientist, might be expected to create graphs. So we're going to cover these 3 frameworks. First are the JavaScript-based frameworks, which are used to create interactive and dynamic visualizations within web browsers using JS. They're actually really nice to look at and make interacting with the data fun and engaging, but it's typically the software developers that deal with these frameworks. Why? Because it's written in JS and it's mostly used for websites. It's nothing that a data scientist typically deals with. So you're not going to need to learn these frameworks, but the graphs are really nice to look at. Here are 4 of the most popular JS frameworks to build graphs. The number 1 most popular one is D3. Then we have 3.js, which is great for creating animated 3D computer graphics. And then we have chart.js and Leaflet. While you're probably never going to have to learn those JS frameworks, you're definitely going to need to know many of the Python or R libraries as a data scientist. You're expected to be able to tell a story with your data. And what better way to tell a story than by creating graphs, because pictures are worth 1,000 words. Here are a few libraries that you need to know. Matplotlib. This is used by every data scientist that codes in Python. You just need to know how to use this library. Seaborn. It sits on top of Matplotlib because Matplotlib is pretty old and pretty ugly, so Seaborn helps enhance the looks of your graph. Third, we have Bokeh, which helps produce interactive graphs. And fourth, we have Plotly, which is a powerful multi-language graphing library that enables developers and analysts to create interactive graphs directly on their browsers. Now, for all you R heads, I'll present a few options for you. First, we have ggplot2, which is basically Matplotlib but for R, so you better learn it. Second, we have Lattice, which is a newer type of framework that can handle more complicated data. And then third, which is really popular, is Shiny, which transforms your R code into interactive web applications. It's very powerful and it's similar to Plotly. The last type of visualization framework are actually tools created for enterprises, because big businesses need to share their data and insights across departments. The tools here are specifically designed to be flexible and make it easy for non-technical people to create dashboards. But you, as a data scientist, may or may not need to learn how to use these tools. It depends solely on your company. I wouldn't learn it for fun. I'd only learn it if my job requires me to do so. But here are a few enterprise solutions. The first one, the most popular one, Tableau. Tableau can handle any data from almost any data source, and you don't need to be a developer or an engineer to figure out how to create graphs. The second popular solution is basically a copycat of Tableau. It's ClickView, ClickSense. We also have SAS Visual Analytics. We have IBM Cognos Analytics, SAP Business Objects, Oracle Business Intelligence, MicroStrategy, and Domo. Those are just a few enterprise solutions. There are literally dozens and dozens more out there for you to learn if you need to learn it. So that's about it. As a data scientist, you really just need to learn those Python or R-based visualization libraries. I would say nothing more and nothing less. So good luck. If you like content like this, please subscribe to this channel and go on to stratascratch.com to get data science resources. Thank you.